Hi everybody, this is Mike Balzano from R&R and the Experience Events. We're here at the RAA Expo, the big convention every year, and I'm so happy to be joined by Leighton Heeley, who's one of the real rising stars in our industry and a great person from KnowHow. Good to see you, sir.
Hey, I'm happy to be here, and I'm happy to see you.
We've got some big news. The reason we're breaking in right now, we have some major news to talk about, but stay tuned, we'll talk about that in a little bit. But I want to see what's you always have so many things going on.
Yeah.
Well, what's new with KnowHow?
I think what's new is that we're advancing what we think is a very necessary and compelling future, which is we're advancing a future of how the workforce needs to be supported and how the workforce is guided. So the workforce is the biggest challenge in the industry, and we are helping restorers to be able to win with the workforce with a lot of the advanced AI and machine learning technology that we've been pioneering into the industry.
Right, well, it's making a difference already, and all the readers of R&R know you've been providing us with a weekly, really great articles that we've been posting to our site and out to the e-newsletters, and also monthly case studies, which the how-tos and help people to go from day to day and improve their business. And it's already had an impact on our readership, so we thank you for that up front.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. We're passionate about how do you make this complex industry simple, right?
Right.
Or simpler.
Right.
Yeah, big time.
And it is. I've been talking to so many people. And it's interesting in this industry. I've been talking to so many people about. We started a little podcast myself just to learn a little more about things. And all the people who are involved in the experience or whatnot, and I ask them all, hey, why'd you get involved in this industry? To a man or woman, they say, I wanted to help people. I think it's beautiful, and most of them are small business owners trying to grow, and so the information you provide really is so beneficial.
Well, there's a lot of dignity in the work. There's a lot of dignity in the work, and we think it should be easier to get people up to a place where they can experience the fulfillment of putting someone's life back together.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We had our Experience conference last year in Chattanooga, and it was a lot of fun, and we were gearing up to go to Las Vegas. So thrilled to KnowHow was the exhibitor last week.
Yeah, absolutely.
We helped them you make some nice marketing decisions to get
Totally.
stuff out.
Yeah.
But we're ramping up. We want to have a big presence in Las Vegas.
Big time.
Which our next show is, as most people know, is right after Labor Day. This year, it's September 4th through the 6th, in Las Vegas at Caesars Forum. And anything you want to know about what we're going to do there? Sir?
Yeah, well, I think we can make a fun announcement.
All right.
And so I'm excited to be your keynote speaker. And so looking forward to being able to unveil our newest study, which will come out the first week of September. Mm-hmm. And so the experience will be the event where we break ground on our newest study scheduled for September 2024. And it's a big one. It's addressing what we think is one of the biggest emerging crises in the industry, okay, which is companies need to think about the next generation of management and the next generation of leadership. And so I'm excited to reveal what we think will be a tremendous asset in the industry of how do you grow and build the next generation of leaders in this industry. And so we're going to be setting off the fireworks at your event.
I love it. Again, in case you missed it, Leighton Heeley will be one of the keynote speakers at the Experience in September. Couldn't agree more with what you just said too. I remember when we took over the Experience last year. I was like, gosh, there seems to be a gap here, and we need the people who are speaking. The leaders are my age or older actually, but we need to be able to grab hold and mentor the next generation up, and that's where this comes in. So the timing is perfect for this.
Big time. No, I think that right now there are people that read your magazine, and they have to start thinking about who am I going to enroll, develop, and ultimately hand the baton to, and so we're excited to provide a playbook on how to do that really well.
Wonderful. Thanks for your time today. Be in I almost said Chattanooga. I've been saying that for 6 months. Be in Las Vegas in September. You won't regret it. We're going to see this gentleman as our keynote speaker. We're so happy to have him. And thanks everybody. And thank you.
Yeah, we'll see you in Vegas.
Sounds great.
Good.